very early design. They make great use of the house. The Marine without the house and the Mustang. You've got P-38 that's just absolutely
twice the size.
Yeah, that's it. It's a second ton out. And that would be for a lot of flights, certainly outdated. Eskill Amdahl, he's doing a great job. He's the pilot of it, and he's doing a great job of showing us what this thing's capable of. I guess when you've flown as many aeroplanes as Eskill has, you can make a great job in pretty much anything.
Compressibility, and that's an interesting thing.
I said it, I was hoping you wouldn't ask me.
I was going to ask you about it.
It's the dropping down out of the compressibility range. It's just this tiny little flap, 2 inches by 100 feet on the bottom of the aeroplane. Put a lever, the aeroplane floats around again on front. I don't need to test pilot the way I figure out how it works.
Huge drop tanks that they can carry as well.
Yeah. And also, I mean, it's a very comfortable cockpit, spacious. You can't quite take the wife and kids with you, but you can take whatever else you want. Just fancy size.
The Americans were the first to actually acknowledge you need to make cockpits comfortable for pilots for their best performance. Look at a Spitfire cockpit and you look at a C-Fury cockpit and then you look at the B-38 or the Mustang. The same thing goes all the way through to even today, an F-15 cockpit, you have 15 people in there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you stand on top of an F-15, it's like standing on a tennis court. So this aeroplane actually it's a P-38L, isn't it? Which would normally have the sort of, not that any P-38 is ugly, but the uglier cowling on it, which is a big, deep kind of chin under each engine, where they house the radiators and oil cooler right up the front there behind the propeller to get better airflow through. When this aeroplane was restored, they got rid of that, put it back to the earlier, more smooth cowling. I think that was a very good idea, because it does make it look just like.
Yeah, this is taxi as well. This is a wonderful sight. Shot down more Japanese aircraft in the Pacific Theatre than any other fighter type.
Yeah, I understand. It was about 1,800 or something, wasn't it? Just staggering. I think almost over 100 pilots becoming aces, which is, I guess it's just that thing of when you've got an aeroplane that is so manoeuvrable and so fast, and then you put a cannon and 4 really good machine guns right on the front of it, just firing straight out the front. If you can get that thing behind anyone, they're toast. You know, you're going to make a mess.
Firepower would be devastating.
That's right.
It's so sad to see the photos at the end of the war in the Philippines with them nose off, engines off, and just stacked vertically.
I know.
Just sad.
Now, I must say, I'm not always a fan of the smoke system on a warbird. I don't always think it's a good thing, but in this case, I will definitely make an exception. It really does look good. And you just makes it so absolutely, yeah. Did a great job on the flying, that's for sure. I mean, Eskil are very good. To say he's an experienced pilot all the way up to most current fast jets. First off.
So sure that the wing platform they used was actually enhanced and enlarged and used on the Constellation as well.
Yep. Yeah, Lockheed, I mean, they just make a great aeroplane, don't they? They've got some wacky engineering tactics for how you put it together. I mean, actually restoring a P-38, there was a time when I was going to restore a P-38, and restoring a P-38 is an absolute nightmare. And it's worth, if you catch one of the Red Bull engineers, it's worth just having a chat to them about restoring some of the TFC engineers that have worked on the line. You know, running all the control system for the whole back end down through this slender little booms that, you know, they're no bigger than 6-inch diameter, and it's got just a raft of cables running through it.
You just wonder how that tail stays on.
Yeah, absolutely. That's how I do it.
Well, it may not have been terribly good earlier on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, but the weather has certainly improved and you are being treated to some magnificent aircraft and fantastic flying.
I've been very lucky. It looks like the